morning. Today we will learn here the revision of the degree. You know there are three kinds of the degree: comparative, superlative and positive. First, you understand here that positive degree. Positive degree means positive, comparative and superlative degree. Then positive degree use the subject plus verb plus subject plus verb means helping verb या other verb after, as, या, so plus adjective plus again as after again noun. That is a sentence pattern of that positive degree. Positive degree we change into the comparative means the positive degree that compare with single man, also single man, single things, and the same single animal, but and also this sentence change into the positive to comparative. Then you have remember the positive sentence became negative. क्या होगा? Positive to comparative change the positive sentence means affirmative sentence became to the negative. I write here the A means affirmative sentence to the negative sentence. Then the positive degree in the negative sentence they became into the affirmative sentence. Are you understand here? And the comparative to superlative and comparative degree change into the each other. Then superlative degree in one person has compared a small group, yeah, or same community, same group. For the students, Harish is a clever student, but in his class, not in a all group, only in his small group. We call the class is a small group. So Harish is the cleverest boy in his class. Then we call that the superlative degree. And comparative degree is the same here. But we use that verb plus er, adjective plus er, adjective plus er plus then, er plus then. And superlative degree use that adjective plus est, adjective plus est plus बस इतना ही होता है. और आगे the est. When that word has a two pronunciation, yeah, long pronunciation, for example, beautiful, harmful, comfortable, then we use that in comparative degree use that more after the adjective means comfortable plus then. And the same here that use here that most plus same adjective. No any change in the adjective. After that, the most आएगा. किससे नहीं? The most and same question. हमने other means group of the name. जो group है वो लिखना है. Are you understand here? Now I take here some examples here. For examples. Parish is as wise as Harish. Parish is as wise as Harish friends. The sentence is in which degree? Positive degree. Which degree? Positive. Change into the comparative. Because thus Harish means Parish and Harish both are a single persons. Then we change into the only comparative degree. No change into that positive. When you see here in the sentence that single person compared with a small group here and same community, then this sentence will change into the superlative degree. Now we change into that comparative degree. So how to change this sentence into the comparative? So what we do first? So we change that name दोनों नेम क्या करते हैं, चेंज द प्लेस, कंपेयर करते हैं. तो हरेश, हरेश सिंगुलर, हरेश इज. ऐसी जगह पे हरेश इज व्हेन वी positivity change into the comparatively, the sentence also change into a positive to affirmative to negative. So Harish is not, Harish is not, and also you use the as, but in the negative sentence we use so, as instead of we take so. Wise का होगा, sorry, Harish is not, we are here in wiser than, wiser than as Paresh. We write here only Paresh. Are you understand here that you, where is the we change here, that Paresh, you take that last person and Harish means change the noun interplaces. After he is not wiser than Paresh means comparative degree in wise er form and then added and Paresh. Now we take the second sentence. For example, take an apple. Apple is as sweet as orange and orange. Now friends, you see here that what we change, you understand here, an orange, sweet, an apple. This type of sentence you already is change their place. First change the place of that fruits, and orange we write here that first in comparative degree. So we write here an orange. After what we write here, verb is here is, so we write here is. After sweet, change into the comparative degree, then we write here the sweeter. Then apple. Apple. Are you understand here? The positive degree change into the comparative, then we change the noun place. मीन्स सब्जेक्ट के जो प्लेस कंपेयर करने वाले दो वर्ड हैं, उनके क्या करते हैं कि व्हाट वी डू, द चेंज द प्लेस मीन्स कंपैरेटिव नेम वी आर चेंज, एंड आल्सो फॉर द सेंटेंस पैटर्न यू आल्सो चेंज हियर. हियर वी से so as means sweeter than, wise as means wiser than, and also we have you have to remember that the comparative sentence will change into that from positive will be changed into the comparative, then we give here the not wiser, not sweeter. Now the sentence is complete. An orange is not sweeter than an apple. Are you understand, friends? Now write this first sentence. Now friends, you see here sentence number 3. Manish is as happy as Mahesh. What we do first, we change the comparative name Manish and Mahesh. So write that answers, change into that comparative degree. P change into C means positive degree change into the comparative degree. First we write here Manish instead of Mahesh. Mahesh is. Second thing, you remember the positive sentence when we change into the comparative, the sentence became negative. So Mahesh is not happier than, after you write the then Manish. So you write here Manish. Now you understand the sentence? Now number 4. For examples, a lion is as strong as swan or tiger. Now change the sentence yourself first. Write the answers. Good. Now check your answers. So what we do first? Tiger or tiger will land. Change the place of the comparative noun. The lion and tiger both are comparative nouns. So the lion instead of you write the tiger. A tiger is. After what we do here? Change the means next positive to negative. A tiger is not stronger than a lion. Understand here? Now next sentence number 5. You see here. For examples, Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is as hot as Surat. Ahmedabad is as hot as Surat. Now friends, you change into that positivity into comparativity. So what we do first, we change the comparative now. So here Surat and Ahmedabad. So we write first Surat. Surat is affirmative change into the negative. So you write here not. Surat is not hotter than Ahmedabad. Is not hotter than Ahmedabad. Are you understand here the sentence? Now here change. You see here that Surat and Ahmedabad दोनों कैसे थे इक्वल अकॉर्डिंग टू टेम्परेचर इक्वल थे बट हियर सूरत इज नॉट हॉटर देन अहमदाबाद में उससे ज्यादा नहीं है उतना ही है मींस मीनिंग इज सेम हियर बट चेंज द सेंटेंस पैटर्न हियर दिस टाइप नाउ यू राइट द सेंटेंस now friends you see here that Pankaj is duller than Prakash. So this is the sentence is that comparative degree. How we change into that positive degree means C into P. पहले हमने सीखा था हो गया P से C means positive to comparative, but now we learn that comparative to positive. But rules is same to same here. The sentence is here you see that positive. The in that comparative sentence. Positive, the bigger into positive degree, the sentence is become negative. So here, first we change their place. Prakash and Paresh. Pankaj and Prakash. We write here that Prakash. We write here the P capital name of. Prakash is not as dull का होगा पॉजिटिव डिग्री में dull as Pankaj. and full stop. Now you understand here the sentence. Where we change here the positive change into the comparative and comparative change into the positive. So first you understand here that positive sentence make into the negative and negative sentence change into the positive, and same rules here follow in both sentence. Now friends, you see here Mr. Shah is more popular than Mr. White. So friends, you see here that Mr. Shah is more popular than Mr. White. We change the sentence in the positive, we change into the negative. First and second things, change the place of the comparative noun. So first we write here the Mr. White. Mr. White. Mr. White is. Here you say that positive sentence, so we change into that first negative. Negative. Mr. Vaida is not, and remove here that more. Then you write that as. The negative sentence we use that so also here. So Mr. Vaida is not so popular. As. Who is popular? Mr. Shah. So Mr. Vaida is not so popular as Mr. Shah. Mr. Shah. Understand this sentence? Now, next sentence. For example, the mango tree is not taller than neem tree. Now friends, here the sentence is also negative. देख सकते हो यहाँ से नॉट से the sentence will change into that positive degree. The first with negative change into that affirmative sentence. The mango and a neem tree means both are comparative noun. So first we change their place. So first we write here that neem tree. Neem tree. Neem tree is. Here not, we remove here the not and we write here as. Neem tree is as tall. Is the main form, positive form of the tall. As, remove the then and after you write the mango tree. So the neem tree is tall as mango tree. Mango tree. Understand the sentence? Neem tree is as tall as mango tree. हाँ था उसका. A mango tree is not taller than neem tree. उससे बड़ा नहीं था. इधर दोनों equal है. Means equality you are understanding here. Now friends, you understand here two topics here. Positive change into the comparative and comparative change into the positive degree. Now you write for the sentence. Now friends, you see here the moon is not brighter than the sun. In the sentence also negative we change into that positive. Means comparative change into that positive. So you say the sun is not brighter than the sun. First we do here the change the comparative noun place. So the sun first we write here the sun. After the verb is and remove that not and we write here that as. Bright. Brighter का positive form bright होगा brighter. Bright. After again as the moon. यहाँ कहा है कि उससे ज्यादा नहीं है. Here is a comparative sentence and positive sentence, but you not compare with that reality. Here only sentence you understand here, friends. The moon is not brighter than the sun. The sun is as bright as the sun. Hello friend. Now Mars is not hotter than April. You see here friends, March and April both month temperature is different, we know, but here only they will say the sentence, not a compare with the real weathers and temperatures. So first what we do, we change the comparative noun here. Which comparative noun? March and April. To change the place, April is first. April. After what we do here, the affirmative sentence change the negative and negative change into the affirmative. So April is as what? A comparative form is change into the positive form, the what? As the March. Now friends, you understand here that March is hotter than April. So April in positive degree, the April is as hot as March. The sentence you